Your target audience is the specific group of people you want to reach with your message, product, or service. They are the ones most likely to be interested in what you have to offer and benefit from it. Here's a breakdown of what it is and how to find yours. What it is. Defined by characteristics, your target audience is a group with shared traits. This can include demographics, age, gender, income, location, psychographics, interests, values, lifestyles, behaviors, browsing habits, purchasing habits, or a combination of these. Not everyone. It's important to avoid targeting everyone. A broad approach is less effective than focusing on a specific group with a higher chance of conversion. How to find yours. Analyze your existing customer base. Look at who already buys from you. What are their commonalities? Running surveys or conducting client interviews can provide valuable insights. Market research and industry trends. Research your industry to identify gaps your product or service can fill. Understanding trends can help you predict who might be interested in the future. Competitor analysis. See who your competitors target. This can give you clues about potential customers and how they are being reached. Create buyer personas. Develop detailed profiles of your ideal customers. These profiles should include their demographics, goals, challenges, and media consumption habits. Look beyond demographics. While demographics are a starting point, psychographics and behaviors can be even more crucial in understanding your target audience. Continuously refine. Your target audience may evolve over time. Regularly assess your marketing efforts and adjust your target audience definition as needed.